guys, I'm Liz and we'll be driving around with the Fijian Drua. So I'll be asking them a few questions. Let's go. Who in the team can actually sing?
The two that can actually sing from the group are the two sitting at the back. India and Philip.
Alright, I think you guys can like switch from rugby to singing, eh?
I think only India, because India has about 5 songs now.
Does he?
Yeah,
India has
songs on Spotify.
No, not Spotify, I probably just on SoundCloud.
If you were an artist, India, what would be your artist name?
The boys call me Junix in the base. They call me Junix
So that's your
for
artist
some
name?
reason.
I think that's pretty cool, Junix.
For some reason, but I'm Fijian music.
Siri, play Junix. So guys, which song is your favorite hype song?
Philip.
In the club, but
Oh.
Let's go, in the club.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a card like it's your birthday. And you don't give a fuck, it's like your birthday. You find me in the club, all of the shit. You find me in the club, bottle full of bubbles, around your titties. And you can come give me a hug, I am getting rough.
Alright guys, I wanna play a game with you gang. You guys up for it? It's called Quick Fire.
Okay.
Ah.
So the first question.
Okay.
Who snows the loudest?
Some dog.
Why
That's
him?
my answer.
Who's most likely to get in a fight?
Yeah.
Why Elia? Elia is my senior. Why do you?
Short fuse, eh? Short fuse.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Who's the best cook?
Mesu.
Mesu?
Oh.
Yes.
Questionable. Probably Salah.
No.
What's one dish he's specialized in?
Chicken in tomato sauce.
Chicken in tomato sauce. Not fried eggs.
Fried eggs, Philip. Fried eggs noodles, Philip there.
Yeah.
Who is the worst cook? Junix.
Hey, Junix up there, Emos Tungiri up there. I haven't seen Emos Tungiri cook.
Junix, what's your favorite hype song?
Bunde remix.
Can I show you guys my hype song?
Your turn.
Alright, I'm gonna show these guys my hype song.
Okay.
What's your hype song? This is my hype song. In a zombie apocalypse, who would you want to be stuck with and why?
Resta silenzioso.
Like somebody that will entertain you?
No, always smart. They can just think of something to get out of the apocalypse.
Apocalypse.
This one is a look.
Yeah, one of the smart ones.
And who is most likely to die first?
Probably India. Can't stay quiet, eh? No zombie mako. Followers to sing to the song.
Samutawaki and
Samutawaki?
India was someone will die first. Then me and Lilia we can escape at that time.
Okay.
Sacrifice some.
Sacrifice something. But I don't know whether we live or no.
But the zombie will, no? Take their time on something. Give you guys time to escape and stuff.
PG!
You guys excited for this season?
Yep, really excited to see the fans again. Get to play some games.
Well, there's something that's also exciting. You can watch all Drua games live on Vodafone Play.
Oi.
and even the replays. How cool is that?
Yeah,
Kaki,
it's so cool. So cool.
What's the hardest part of being a professional rugby player?
I don't know if it's the hardest part, but I think it's
Challenging or something?
putting your body on the line week in, week out. You can't rely when you finish a game on Saturday. You can't, if you lose or if your body is tired, exhausted,
Yeah.
you can't stay down for long. Knowing full well next week is coming up with its challenges with another game. But we love it. That's why we do it.
Yeah.
That's why we turn up to training every day, because we get to play, we get to do what we love for a living. We're not only representing ourselves, but we're representing our families, our friends, and the country.
Yes, and you guys should know, like, we're super proud of you guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alright gang, that's driving around with the Fijian Drua. Thank you so much boys.
Naka-Luis,
All the best this season.
naka-Vodafone Play.
Nah, what the phone?
Remember, you can watch all Drua matches live on Vodafone Play and even watch the replays. So download the app now and let's watch these boys do what they do best.
Bole! Toson Drua! Escamalobo.
Nanti!
Donu.
Undang lemah, main lemah nih, dan dia habis kita lemah bikin tabaki. Talay itu bayar, kau yang lebih nanti tahu le kembali, suwi sari. Kena malam tu namun go. Daru rumah bata bolinga matani singalai karumbo tangane monan deituna kena malam tuna mulando daru rumah bata bolinga matani singalai karumbo tangane monan deitamburan dondo ingin nangile kena soso
Dina Sonia Dina Kamila Nagagawa sa namanima Nomorasi ko buwatani Tumakan din na nahuhay nga namin Umarapakan ni kumailomani Watak Kamila Umanilani Viliyaw na loroma Nakaukato na Nungin mula sa lakiyaw Nagpuntanong ko ng
Next meal.